Welcome back to the cold February edition of the My 98.3 Monroe Bank and Trust Economic Update. For WMIM, I'm Ryan Nutter, President and CEO of Monroe Bank and Trust. Sitting to my right, Doug Chafin. Doug, good to see you.
Ryan, good to see you on this cold February day.
Yes. So what is going on with the stock market?
You know, we started off the week on a bit of a low note. The Institute for Supply Management published its December index, which declined to 51.3. That was down from 56.5 the prior month. And as you recall from our previous discussions on these indices, anything above 50 is actually expansion and is good. However, it dropped so low, much farther than everyone expected, that was considered to be a negative, and the market reacted to that. I think it also reacted to some comments that Secretary Lew made. He told Congress that looks like we're going to hit the debt ceiling by the end of this month, and it's time to act now. So I think there was some negative vibes on Monday.
Should we be concerned?
Absolutely not. You know, we should be concerned, I think, to a certain degree, but certainly not to the degree of panicking at all. If you put this into perspective, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 both showed really good gains in 2013. I think the Dow was up by 12.5%, the S&P by about 18%. All good gains. Down year to date, 6 and 7% respectively. We had significant improvement in the market since 2009, and a lot of people would say we're kind of due for some kind of a correction anyway. In fact, I think on average, we have some kind of a 10% correction in the market for the last 75 years, on average, every year, a 10% correction. So we're not quite there yet. I think it's partly the reaction to the news, partly it was time to take some profit taking, and they were looking for news.
Yeah. So our listeners, your customers, wondering what should they do?
Stay calm. We advocate to just diversify the investment portfolio, follow a very consistent and persistent investment strategy, and don't react to the market due to news such as this. When you react to the market when it's high, you tend to buy. When you react to the market when it's low, you tend to sell. Buying high and selling low isn't going to be a long-term benefit for you. So stay calm, keep that steady pace, and stick to the strategy.
How are you and everyone here at Monroe Bank and Trust?
Doing very, very well, Ryan. Last week we announced our earnings were up for the fourth quarter by 275%, up for the year 2013 compared to 2012 by 47%. So local levels of employment, property values, business activity all continues to show that slow, steady improvement that we've been talking about, and we're really looking forward positively to 2014.
All right. Well, best of luck. We know you can get it done. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Stay warm.
You too. Drive careful.
All right. Absolutely. Yes. Everyone be safe out there on the roads. Doug Chafin, I'm Ryan Nutter. This is the My 98.3 Monroe Bank and Trust Economic Update. You can get more online at their website, mbandt.com.